Okay guys, I'm going to shoot one last video before I take off. I think somebody sent me some malicious message in Messenger. I'm not sure, but I'm going to reset my Facebook page just in case. But in the meantime, I thought I'd leave you with Skylab here. I don't know what Skylab 1's rescue mission was like, but let me tell you what, trying to constantly rescue this has been a real bear. But this is a 1/92nd scale Skylab, which I designed in 3D and printed. It's only taken probably about a week to get this far from designing it on the computer to here. The trick has been all of the scaffolding, all of the rigging there that you see, trying to get it to be accurate. That's been a joyride, to say the least. Let me raise the camera up here. At any rate, so with some luck, in about a week or so, I should have Skylab here finished. This is only a prototype to try to figure out, once I do try to build this for real, how to actually put everything together, because there's an order in which you have to put it together, obviously, like all models. And this wasn't a failure, but it wasn't, the best model a person's ever built. At any rate, guys, I'm going to disappear probably for a day or so. So when I come back, if you see me, you may want to send me a new friend request. Okay? Thanks a lot, guys.